next one is talking about the eye being connected to one being pleasant or finding one pleasant. Okay, so there is a connection according to what was recorded in Israel and Judah about 3,000 years ago. There's a connection in Hebrew thought between the eyes and finding one pleasant. Okay, there's a connection there. So this is interesting because if you go into the Igbo language, there is an expression that says "afurenginanya." Now, afurenginanya means I love you actually, but what it directly translates to is I see you in the eyes. So for some reason, the Igbo elders, the way they phrase and communicate, that statement means I see you in the eyes, but actually what it's trying to say is I actually love you. So here you see that connection between the eyes and the pleasantness. Pleasantness, finding someone pleasant or actually loving the person or liking the person, there's a connection there, and it is well established within Igbo speech. Okay,